Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna just blame that on the wind. But anyway, in today's video I'm gonna be comparing Aunt Jackie's two gels. They have two gels that I know of. If they have more, then whatever, but these two are the popular ones. I've used this one before. As you can see, it's almost gone, but I've never used this one. I think I'm going to be doing the 3-strand twist out. This one is the Coconut Cream Recipes Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel, and this is for natural curls, coils, and waves enriched with coconut oil. It's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. And then I have the Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. It's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum like the other one. And it's enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. So this one has protein in it. That may be a difference. I'm pretty sure they got the same base ingredient probably. They look about the same consistency, so I think they probably changed a few ingredients here and there. Let's see. Okay, this one has the wheat protein in it also. So they both have protein in it. They both just about have the same base recipe formula, but they're not exactly the same. For this side, we're going to be using the Don't Shrink, and for my left side, this side, we're going to be using the Curl Boss. Okay, so for my base moisturizer, I'm going to be testing out my updated Ayurveda moisturizer. Check out my previous video to see how I whipped it up. And before you go in with anything, I suggest you, since these are gels, I suggest you test whatever you're going to use underneath it or over it on the back of your hand. You mix a little bit of both on the back of your hand and make sure they pair well together and won't flake up in your hands. If it look like cottage cheese when you rub them in together on your skin, then they're most likely going to flake up in your head. Okay, I kind of did that. Okay. They both do have different smells. Alrighty, you guys, that's it. Again, this side is the flaxseed and this is the coconut 360. Now the twist, they look good, but the roots don't look good. But I kind of don't care about the roots because I'm kind of an over fluffer, if that's the word, and I pretty much over fluff my roots to the point where it becomes pretty frizzy anyway, because I try to get the most volume with my little bit of hair. So those are going to get frizzy anyway, so I don't really care about the roots. If you want to get closer to the roots, start it as a braid and then go into a 3-strand twist or a 2-strand twist, but I don't care. I do not care. I'm going to let this dry and we'll come back to you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, you guys, it is currently the next day, and sorry if you hear the fan in the background. I'm not about to sit up in the top behind bathroom and take my hair down and suffer, so I'm hot. If you guys hear a fan, oh well. I'm gonna start off with this side. This side was the flaxseed side. It don't have that gel cast at all, so that's a good thing. I forgot I did a 3-strand twist. I'm going like, why is it like this? Ooh, okay. A little bit of frizz never hurt nobody. This is the flaxseed side. It feels good, but I feel like my hair could be a little bit more moisturized. This is the coconut side. I was about to say I don't really see a difference, but the feel, I feel like the flaxseed gel side has a little bit more of a stronger hold, and this is more like a soft hold. All right, this is the coconut side. Alrighty, you guys, so this side, I feel like the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, I feel like this one has, my hair is soft on both sides, but I feel like this one has like a stronger hold, like just a bit though. It's not too noticeable, but it's noticeable to me. It has a bit more of a stronger hold. I would say because it has flaxseed in it, but I don't see that on the ingredient list. I mean, they do have an oil in here that I never heard of, and it's in the INCI name, so I have to look it up. But I could look it up and put it on the screen, so you guys know what I'm talking about. And for the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel, this is soft, but it has like kind of a softer hold. Everybody's cutting grass today. I apologize. It's a lot of noise. They both feel the same. My hair feels the same. It has just about the same amount of hold. So I would prefer either one of these. I don't see a difference. Not much, at least. This one does have a bit more of a stronger hold, but I'll be cool with either or. I guess they made this one for people that don't like coconut oil, because a lot of people don't like coconut oil now. It's probably too much for their hair, but I love coconut oil on my hair. It does my hair wonders. That's the end of today's video, you guys. Ooh, I need to go get my lip gloss out the car because this blends in with my skin and I don't like that. I need a little bit more pink in there. That's it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below which one you think was better, or if you use both of them, let me know which one worked better for your hair. Do not forget to subscribe down below and stay tuned for my next video.